Hi guys, sharing with you a request for a book recommendation. Now, I have two books that I have been reading and rereading since I started practice. The first one is The Tree of Yoga by B.K.S. Iyengar. This book uses a very good analogy, you can see this, a very good analogy to explain yoga and how to apply its wisdom into our daily life, whether from personal development to love and relationship to health, and also finding the connection with the divine. And now the second one is the Bhagavad Gita. Now, don't judge the book by its cover. Although you usually see the picture of Lord Krishna and Arjuna on the cover, it is not a religious book. Now, this book has 18 chapters in it, and it is really useful for me, especially when I'm experiencing difficult and challenging life situations, dilemmas especially. I want to show you, I have a mini-size Bhagavad Gita, and this book is very dear to me. I have all my scribbles and my things written on it, and it's very sentimental. These books have been very helpful in helping me to finding my direction, whether on or off the mat. I highly recommend that you get them. Now, I won't be telling you exactly what's the content of the books. You have to get them, read them, and reread them, because depending on different phase of our life and also different experiences that we've been through, how we interpret the book will be very different. But if you're interested in understanding the Bhagavad Gita more, just DM me. I can give you a contact of a teacher who can give you more information and how to go about understanding the Gita. Get this book from Book Depository or Amazon.com, and probably you can try Kinokuniya. I'm not really sure about Kinokuniya, but if you do get one, just let me know. Alright, so that's my two favorite books. Please enjoy reading them. Namaste, see you next time.